This is a 2011 Ford Fusion. This four-door sedan has an automatic transmission and an inline four-cylinder engine. All of the following features are included: 100% commercial-free Sirius satellite radio, a multi-link rear suspension, traction control and stability control systems, a 6-speaker audio system, a 4-wheel independent suspension, dusk-sensing headlights, side curtain airbags, air conditioning, and this vehicle has less than 4,000 miles. This vehicle won't last long at this price. Call and arrange a test drive now.
Donnell Ford Lincoln of Salem is dedicated to doing everything possible to ensure that the experience you have selecting your next vehicle is as pleasant as possible. We are located at 152 Continental Drive in Salem.